Nut.
It just happens to be a very tiny nut too.
So it's not mine. Does it look any straighter?
I don't know, dude. That's a personal question. YouTube, meet John.
What's up, YouTube?
This is John's Gen 1 Raptor. John likes to go to Baja a lot, but because he's in Baja almost every weekend, his truck's all busted. So today, we're going to go over a couple of things that he's fixing on his truck. Follow him as he goes through West Side Offroad Group and fix the lower control arm mounts that are
Now
not
straight?
They're now straight, but they weren't straight.
They were not straight.
And then on top of that, he's playing with his truck's balls.
Hey, at least it has some.
Yeah, but that's the only balls it has, right there. Those are it.
Yeah, but that's all it needs.
So John's gonna be switching out the ball joints of his truck on the lower control arm. He's gonna switch out the whole upper control arm. So we're gonna go through and document it all for you guys, so you guys can see how it's done on a Gen 1. Strap in for John playing with his nuts. Balls. I'm sorry, balls.
Out why you have so much camber still.
I would like to know that too. And I've actually pushed the lower A arm in to get rid of the camber.
See, this side's semi-straight.
At least your lower can slide now. It's not all.
Well, maybe that's why my alignment didn't go out on that side, because it was holding it.
The other
It
side.
might have been because this was pushed in. It was keeping it from sliding back. Because the back of the arm's right here. So with that being pushed in,
Oh,
it
yeah.
was keeping that bushing
From
that's about that
sliding?
big sliding all the way back.
Well, that could be a good thing, right?
Well, yeah, because that's going to limit them from being able to push to the lowers.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, you could. It's not all the way because I can see the edge of the hole here. Hopefully to fix it.
Fuck, that bend's quite easy.
Oh, it does.
Huh?
Yeah, it's kind of.
Oh, dude, looking at you bending that is scary how easy it is to bend.
Well, I mean, it helps I have a little bit of leverage, but
Still
it
though,
shouldn't
dude.
bend that easily. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, but then again, now that it's already bent, it's
Yeah, once he's
soft.
bent it, once.
Yeah, it gets nice and soft. Well, you guys reinforcing and tracing those plates really shows John where his problems are, right? So over here, it was definitely that lower control arm mount. And on the other side, it's alignment adjustment.
Yeah.
And that's probably why the other shop couldn't do anything with it, because they had no idea what the fuck they were looking at. But I think once
Well, they couldn't push the lowers in where they needed to go.
yeah, once they get, because you can see this side's a little off on the alignment. It still needs to go over a little bit, but the other side is like all the way fucking
Well,
turned
those
left.
tie rods are turned in quite a bit.
Yeah, this side's way off though.
It actually looks straight.
Come check it out. So it actually revealed two problems, right? So one,
Damn, look how straight it is
it's
now.
straight now, but
Yeah.
look over here.
Oh, that's cambered out.
Yeah, big time.
So now we've got to...
Yeah, that's why you were having problems with the steering. That's why you couldn't keep it straight, because they couldn't get enough play on this side, and then they over-adjusted on that side to compensate. So you're probably going to get it much closer.
Huh? Yeah. And this is a brand new tire.
Brand new tire. That's the way it's supposed to look. That's the way it looks. It's close. I think right now they're both kind of pointed outward a little bit
Out just a hair.
on both sides. But it's not as bad as it was before. This side's a little worse.
Yeah.
But yeah, they're just pointed out. Both sides are pointed outward. Gotta bring them in.
You're on the outside edge of that.
Yeah, that's a lot.
74 3/8. 71 3/4.
Oh, fuck.
Your weight towed out.
That's a pretty big difference, man.
Yeah, but which one does it move?
They both gotta
This
come
one's
in.
gotta go a lot more.
So it's that little play back and forth, right?
That's not a little, that's a lot. Like usually it takes a good year or so to get to that point.
Unless John gets his hands on them.
It's Baja silk. I'm blaming Baja silk.
This is the old one too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this.
The inners weren't as bad. Because the inners literally, they just move like this. You know, whereas the outers...
Does that have some play in it
like
too?
that.
No, that one's not too bad.
Yeah, it's got a little bit, not a lot.
Not like this. Look at this.
No, it's a 600-ton press that puts those things in there. Yeah, that's...
John, you need to be nicer to your balls.
At least I have some, because I own a Gen 1.
That has less power than my Gen 2.
Huh?
It's got less power than my Gen 2.
Yeah, but it doesn't sound like a Honda Civic.
I don't care about sound.
I think off the length of our trophy truck that were that bad. And that was one race.
Yeah.
Well, I believe that shit.
I'm undoing my tie rod. I have an RPG, so it's 15/16. So I'm going to pull this off, pull my caliper off, pull the lines off, undo my ABS line, pull the rotor out, undo my axle nut, then I'll undo the upper ball joint, and then I'll undo the bottom ball joint, take the spindle out.
Show me the play in there and why you're switching all this.
Well, this one's not so bad. The other side was a little wobbly. See that?
That's not that bad.
Yeah, this one. This
That
one.
one's solid. The other side was a pain.
Yeah, the other side was bad, but replacing the ball joints, but you won't see that until you get it off. Then you can see how loose they are compared to. Okay, I'm showing the new one.
Basically disconnecting the lines, right?
Yeah, I'm doing the lines now.
Now you know what our job is like.
Oh, I know exactly how your job is. It's easy.
No.
You guys still bitch.
No, it's hard trying to get the angle that you want.
Why don't you just read my mind? That's what your mom tells me all the time. I can't read minds. Try. Yeah, the reinforcements actually makes everything more difficult.
Yeah.
Dude, are your shocks touching?
What?
Yeah, your springs are touching the spindle.
No,
Yeah, dude.
they're not.
That looks tight, dude.
It's almost.
Go ahead and turn it.
At full lock.
Are the icons wider than the stock?
Well, these are 3.0s.
Oh, that's probably why.
These are 3.0s, but this is made by Forged Off-Road. You think they would have known. But yeah.
That's not good, man.
No.
You gotta be careful when you're turning on this thing.
We are undoing the ABS. Wheel speed sensor, yeah, ABS.
I hate those fucking things. They're nothing but
So
trouble.
They fucking break all the time.
Damn, man.
Right, that's all off. That's done. Right, now take the brake caliper off. 30/16.
Doesn't that fuck up the rotors or? Yeah.
Not the rotors. I'm not doing the rotors. I'm doing trying to move the top of the.
Don't do that at home like he did. You got the strength to do that shit. Fucking disconnect it like that. Holy shit, dude.
Look at that.
All right, now milk it.
No bueno.
How the IWEs look? They look pretty decent, right? The IWEs.
Yeah, IWE.
Do you need help with that, or
No.
you sure? Fuck, dude, how strong are you, man? Holy shit! Don't you got the little pliers for that? Oh, never mind. No need.
All right, so we'll put that bit of penetrating oil on it. We'll hammer the hell out of it.
Fucking hey, dude. What's the damage though, man? That shit looked pretty deformed.
Pretty fucked.
I said move it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
It looks like you're doing something else. All right, now try moving this one.
I can't even move it.
Is it?
So
would you
it's
say
supposed
that?
to be like-
Did you say that that one's harder?
Here you go, John.
Thank you. Did you finish playing with it?
Nah,
With it?
nah, all of you.
Oh.
So you have to undo the bottom to let the shock pivot forward so you can take the bolts out.
Yeah. So I can pull it forward. That's only on if you got 3.0s.
So if you're not running 3.0s, you don't have to do that. And
No.
that's see that bolt.
Huh?
I'm talking to the YouTube audience.
Oh.
It's not always about you, John.
Come on, man.
Still trying to take the bolt out. Wouldn't it be easier to take the shock out?
The other side didn't it pop right out.
This thing's heavy.
Shit. That filled a new one.
Those are the stock bolts, right?
Those are the stock bolts for the upper.
Right. And what'd you do to
With
it?
3.0s, well, with the icons anyway, I don't know, but I imagine it would be the same with all of them. Trying to get the bolt out with the 3.0s, obviously they're a lot bigger than the 2.5s. So just have to flatten one side so you can fit it back in without pulling the shocks out. This side is tweaked.
No, your truck is tweaked. Say it ain't so, John.
This one's how it's supposed to be, and the other side is tweaked. The other side went in a lot easier than this one.
Would have been much easier to take that shock out, dude. As much of a bitch as it is to get the bolts in on that shock, the nuts.
The pitch was off. Good, I'll get a nut on it. Yeah, we do that. Yeah, just rattle those up, tighten those up, and good. Yeah. Good. Yeah.
right, so that's a wrap for John's truck. He finally got it all done. How do you feel, John?
Like I ran a marathon. Just did the Baja 1000. Hit the whole truck. Whole front end.
All right, guys. If you have any questions, comments, put them in down below. Otherwise than that, we'll see you guys on the next one.
Brakes now?